Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my year of savings. And with my year of savings, I have $100 in prop money and various saving challenges that I am saving throughout the year. So let's get started. So we have our every Friday of 2025. And this is created by Mandy's Money _budget on Etsy. And I am saving $30 for May 30th, which is crazy that we are entering June. Crazy. So let's get the $30, 20 and 30. And with this money, I put an extra payment towards debt. So let's see how much we are saving for the month of May. Let me get my calculator. So we got 2, 9, 16, 23, and 30, $80. Yes. So I am putting $80 for May. Perfect. So I would add that to, if you watch my getting out of debt video, I can't remember the total, but I will put it here. I will add this to that, and we will make that extra payment for May. Then I will share with you guys in my getting out of debt video how much did that bring my payment to. So I am super excited for that. Yes. Let's see how much in total. Now, just keep this prop money in here. Just a reminder, a motivation of just to keep going and how much in total. So I might take this prop money out and then just start fresh for June. I think I'm going to do that. I don't know. I always change up stuff. Of course, you guys know that. So from January to May, I have saved 100, 200, 300, 40, 50, 60, 1, 2, 3. Wow, $363. And that all went to an extra payment towards debt. I'm sorry, guys. I feel like I have to sneeze. All right. We are doing Norella's budgets, her weekly savings. And this is, I am saving for my son's senior year, class of 2026. And with that, you can either make each circle $1.50, $2, $5, up to you. But I decided to roll a D8. So the highest I would save is $8. So we got, a 1. Okay. So another 1. So let's put that 1 here. And let's see how much we have saved so far. We have saved $103. So $103. That's probably just one book because he does take AP and IB classes. And he is in his CTC engineering program, which he take classes at a community college to get college credits. And yeah, so I am responsible for paying for the books for that. So, and for him to take his IB testing. And then you got ACT, SAT, all that jazz. So we need money and funds for that. So this is also, I'm saving for a senior year. I got this from Save with Judy. Each icon is $5, saves overall $300. So about right there is a good little savings. So let's go ahead and color in a flower. Should we do, what color flower? Should we do yellow? Let's do a yellow one. Or a kind of gold one. Yeah, that's pretty. Perfect. So let's put in our $5. And let's see. And the reason why I use prop money is because I transfer this money straight into my high yield savings. So not only am I saving for next year, it's also earning me interest, and that is another savings bonus right there. So far we got $125. Perfect. All right, so next we have is this spring fling, and I think I keep going back and forth. What I was going to put this for any summer entertainment, family adventures we will take, and also if we don't use it or we don't use it all, then I will just roll this over into the back to school. That's how I think I'm going to do it. So I am probably going to put $8 in here. Yeah, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Or 8, 9. Or you know what? Yeah, let's put 10. I don't know why I was grabbing all those. So let's put... let me grab 2 5s. Let me put $10. So we got 3, 7, 8, and then let's do 2 more pink ones, 9 and 10. Okay, so $10 there, and let's see how much we got so far. You have 20, 40, 50, 1, 2, 3. Okay, $53. I'm just gonna keep that like that. All right, and we are doing the Santa Coming to Town, created by Mischief. Oh, and this is the Spring Fling is created by Coco Chic Living. And the Santa's Come to Town is created by Mischief Managed Budget and Champagne's Corner. And I'm going to put, I don't know, 5, 10, 15. Well, let's put the 20 that I normally put in here. I'm trying to see something. Because I want to put at least $30 in 2025. So that's 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's... I don't know what I'm doing, gems. Let's go to say 2025 first. So I just want to make sure I have enough for that. So I said I want to do 30. So let's do, 10, 20. What? I don't know. Hold on, Jones. I got myself confused. So let's do the 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, $30. Let's put that here. I know you guys like, girl, get it together. So, $30. Let's do, let me see, I have 24 here. Do I have a 6? No. So, let's do, do I want to do 30? Yeah, you should do 30. Or should I do... Let's go ahead and just knock out this 30 here. Why not? Let's knock out this 30. Perfect. All right, so that's the 30, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. All right, just gonna put that in there. So now let's go back to the Christmas ones. We got 10 and 20. Oh, card, okay. So we are going to put that $20 in here. And let's see, where did we left? Oh, we finished that one. Did we finish that one? No, we didn't finish that one. We finished this one. I'm saving the games for another time, like last, because if I get the goal I need for Christmas, the games I can just save for next year. So $20. Can you guys see? I know, I realize in some of my videos you guys can't see what I'm doing. Okay, so 20 minus, let's go here. And this is 6 minus, this is amounts 3 through 9. And it says 50. So minus 5. And we can do one more because we got $9. Let's do this one. Okay, we got 3 minus 3, and we got $6 left. So we are going to stop on this page, and we are going to, we can do one on this page. So let's do here. Ooh, and that is 4. So we are going to stop on that page, and we have $2 left. So the $2 I am going to put here, and that is going to be the red. Perfect. And that says 105. Oh, look at me. Guys, what is wrong with me? I already put the $20 in there. So that is minus 2, and that was the $20. Perfect. So now we did that one. We are doing this challenge here, and this is created by Lemon Ivy, and this is School is Cool. So this says 80 plus, and this is just a savings for back to school also. And when I got $4, and do I have, oh, I have a 4. So we are saving the little sneakers here. And this is a cute little savings challenge, sticker saving challenge. All right, we're just going to add those $4 to this 20. Perfect. That was a nice, quick, and straight to the point. All right, so we went through the whole binder. And we got the $80 I am making for extra payment towards debt. So that is perfect. All right, gems, that is all. Thank you, everyone, for the love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please feel free to subscribe to the channel and share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.